and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the life of luxury. If you are a new subscriber or a new viewer, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see in today's video. And if you are a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And let's just get right into today's video. I know it's been a super long time since I posted, and I sincerely apologize, you guys. Feel free to drop any questions that you have down below in regards to what's been going on with me. So let's go ahead and get right into it, you guys. Today I have a luxury unboxing at Bougie on a Budget style luxury unboxing. And today I am unboxing one of my favorite bags that is out right now. Oh my gosh, this particular bag is so multifunctional, is so classic in my opinion as far as color goes and hardware. And if you've seen the title of this video, then you probably already know what it is, but I did want to go ahead and come on here and unbox it with you guys. As you can see, it has never been opened, so let's see what DH Gates has for us today. I've been really nervous about, so I'm just gonna go ahead and bust it open. I've been really nervous about ordering from them ever since COVID and all of that. And I really feel like it's okay to order from them. I just expected it to be a long delivery process, and it sort of was. I ordered this package on January the 8th, and today is January the 25th? Yes, January the 25th. So basically it took this package about a little less than 3 weeks to get to me, which, I mean, that's actually pretty reasonable for something coming from China, because if any of you all have ever ordered from Wish before, then you know it could take months. It could come next year. It could never come. Like anything with in regards to China, especially during the pandemic. You never know if it's gonna come, when it's gonna come, none of that. So finally got the first layer off. As you can see, there's another layer, and this is a layer of bubble wrap. But I can already tell, if y'all can't tell, I can already tell it's a box in here, and it's not just a bag wrapped up, which I'm so happy about. Oh, okay, so I'm taking it out of the bubble wrap seal, and this is the box. I see, first impression, I'm giving it a good 10 out of 10, you guys, as far as first impressions on the box, not the bag. So it's got more plastic on the box. Let's just get into that. So let's just open this baby up. Just kind of like a shoe box. Here is our, the inside of the box. Here's our bag. And then here's the extras. I guess I'll go through the extras. That's what most people do. That's what most people do when they do unboxing. They show the extras first. So yeah, that's it. That's all that's in the box. That. And basically this is a little package of like receipts. It's supposed to be like receipts for your order. Kind of like you actually bought it from the Prada store. Let's see. So okay. So here's the receipt. It looks pretty legit. As you can see, it's got like the transaction amount and a little barcode, customer copy. It really looks legit. Here's another one. I guess kind of like I brought it back to the US with me from the Prada store there, because it's really like detailed. This is so funny to me. Of course, I watch enough of these unboxing videos to know that they come with receipts, but just to actually get them, and I only paid $34 for this bag, or $33 and some change, just to actually get a receipt and a box and a dust bag is really shocking. Like, and here's the little baggie-o. Wow, they really outdid themselves with this bag. I'm like, this is my first time seeing it too, y'all, so I'm really shocked. Hold on. Oh my gosh. This is nice. Bring it closer to the light. Let's turn the light back up. Wow. For this to be a fake bag, y'all. Oh my God. First of all, let's talk about what all comes with it. First of all, it comes with the little tag already hanging on it. This is a key ring, which says Prada Re-Edition 2005. Looks very legit. Then it comes with this silver strap already on it, and the silver strap even says Prada. On the claw, what they call it, lobster claw. Like, that's awesome. And the chain doesn't feel cheap at all. It actually feels heavy. It doesn't feel like one of those cheap chains. It's actually a pretty heavy chain. Yes, this is perfectly centered. It says Prada Milano, 1913. Got the little symbol. I mean, it's really giving me real. Even this little thing, this looks like one of those, like, if you steal it tags. Like, so hopefully people don't think I stole these. It is real, because it ain't real and it ain't stolen. Okay, period. Again, I apologize if y'all, side note, if y'all hear my puppy Pluto in the background, I sincerely apologize. He's very active today, so just don't mind him. Anyway, going into the inside of the bag, because we haven't unzipped it yet. Pretty decent size, actually. Perfect for vacation, going out with the girls, going to brunch with the girls, going on a date, going to the aquarium, and I just want to throw some stuff in my purse. Like, this is perfect. So I just pulled this out of here. Looks like, let's see if that's all that's in here. It looks like that's all that's inside, other than this little tag here that says Prada, which I'm actually shocked that it's like metal and not like a little leather tab. I'm really shocked. I'm really shocked. Okay, so this is the strap that it came with, and it does already have the pouch connected to it. So this is the little coin pouch. This is the long strap. It's very similar to the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette strap. As you can see, it just says Prada on both ends. I was very particular when I was ordering this bag because if you notice, and I'll pop up a picture of the real one, of course, like I always do, but if you notice this little leather tab here on some of the bags that are not authentic, this little tab might be like a little square, or might be a different color, might be off shape completely. And I really wanted one that was very, 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 very close to the real. Like, you couldn't even tell it wasn't real. Since the little pouch here is like a staple part of it, or a standout part of the bag, I wanted to make sure this whole little region here looked as authentic as possible. It's still, I think it's supposed to say Prada like right here, I believe. I'll pop up a picture, of course, but it looks like it's a bit cut off somehow right here. So hopefully no one really notices that, but it does definitely still say it here and here. So we'll see what the real is looking like. Let's go ahead and attach the straps to the bag. What I did notice, however, before I do that, is that on the strap, the claws also say Prada. Even here on the little coin pouch, it says Prada. The coin pouch also says Prada. And Milano in 1913, and has a little emblem. So really, we're looking at a 10 out of 10 bag so far. Let's just see how it's looking on. Cause I don't know about y'all, but I be ready. I'm talking about thirsty to put a bag on when I first get it in the mail. Oh, I'm like, yes, now what it look like on me. Period. So I'm just clipping it onto the same little D-rings here that the chain is strapped to. And what I love about this bag is that everything is removable. Nothing is permanent. So this long chunky strap is removable from the bag. As you just saw, I put it on. this pouch is removable from the bag. It's a little claw hook. And this silver strap is completely removable from the bag, as well as this key ring. As some of you may know, some of the luxury bags don't come with detachable chain straps and things like that. So it's not 100%, you know, universal or multifunctional. This one is, which I love. And you know, guys, I actually have the replica Louis Vuitton multi-pochette bag. And that bag actually, I feel like this bag just matches more stuff because it's black and silver. It goes with everything. I mean, I could put it on with this. What I had, just a hoodie, you know, or just a jacket. Just have my little Prada re-edition looking crossbody. So cute. Let me bring it forward. I pulled it to the longest extension that it could go. And make it go a little bit further. Yeah, like another inch. But this is good for me. Of course, right here, I can easily put my AirPods in here, my masks, change. I actually do use my coin purse from my multi-pochette in all of my bags. And if it matched, then I use it on all of my bags. But of course, this one I wouldn't have to. It's actually so cute and perfect, and it's not too small. I can stick my whole hand in there and dig around. You know, here's my phone. And this is a iPhone XR, not the Pro, but the regular size. And it just falls right into the bag, you guys. Just falls right in. I love it. Ignore this stain. We all know grease stains are very hard to get out. So yeah, this is how it's looking, hanging off. Okay, so this is how it looks on my side. I absolutely love how it falls. It actually falls all the way down past my hip and past my butt, and very close to like my lower hip. It's falling. With this bag, I can actually carry it so many different ways, you guys. I can actually carry it with just the silver handle and just the black bag, or I could carry it with just the silver handle and the black bag and the little pouch that comes with it, minus the strap, which is still super cute. See, that's still so cute. We love it. I actually like it more like that. But for on-the-go days, shopping days, or you know, if you're going on a tour somewhere, or if you're going to the museum or to the aquarium, this is the perfect bag to grab. It matches everything. Again, I give this bag a 10 out of 10. If I were to have to, you know, if I were reviewing it, I would give it a 10 out of 10. It looks amazing. The quality is great. You can definitely tell it's good nylon material. The edges of the bag are lined in leather, just like the real bag. The keychain tab is also leather, just like the real bag. And again, you saw it has Prada written all over the clips, Prada on the strap. You know, I just feel like this bag is constructed very well. I can't wait to carry it. I'm so glad I opened it on camera with you guys. I also seen people take the strap off and wear the bag by itself and wear the belt as like an actual belt, which I think is a great idea if you were, you know, wanting to make a fashion statement. It's kind of like if you have a matching belt and bag. I think that's really cute. If you guys want to try that, definitely follow me on Instagram at LuxxShari_ at luxury_. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and that way you guys can keep up with my posts and how I style my bags. If you already follow me, then you know I make a point of rocking my bougie on a budget bags with my fits, so you guys know how I style it. And again, I'm so sorry for my long-awaited video. So sorry I was away for so long. Just got caught up in, you know, the holidays and having a puppy, things like that. So thank you guys for the sweet words, positive words. I even had people like, when are you posting another video? I miss you. I miss your personality. So thank you for being so kind. I know I'm not like a pro YouTuber but I still really love coming on here and showing you guys the things that I'm excited about. Maybe you're about to order the same bag and you want to look up all the videos about it, or you are in between the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette and this one, and you're trying to see which one is bigger or whatever. You know, I love giving you guys information, sharing my excitement with y'all, and sharing my luxury on a budget finds. If you guys want to know where I got the bag from while it's still available, I will link it down below. The actual store, seller, the actual link that I bought mine from, I'll link it down below in the comment section. I will have the comment pinned. I will pin the comment for you guys so that you can rock luxury like luxury. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, again, don't hesitate to comment down below. Follow me on Snapchat at Cherie Perkins, on IG at luxury_, and me on Facebook, Cherie Perkins. Don't forget about your girl. If you haven't already and you've made it all the way to this part of the video, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like the bag or the content on my page. Love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next video at the Luxury Collection, aka Cherie's Life of Luxury. And